Super secrets for repairing your dog-related issues. Are you ready to change a dog's life? Whether you already own one or are planning to adopt one, the time is now to learn how to take really good care of them. This video details a bunch of great ideas, some you may never have thought of before, relating to dogs, so read on. Avoid insisting that your dog socialize nicely with every other passing dog. Experts recommend that your dog be able to tolerate introductions through sniffing and eyeing with another animal, but say forcing the issue can create problems. Accept your dog's lead when meeting and greeting other animals and allow for natural interaction. If you are thinking of getting a new dog for your family, be sure you are prepared for this commitment. Smaller dogs will require at least a 14 to 16-year commitment, and larger dogs will require at least 10 years. If you are not prepared to own the dog for its entire life, then do not choose a dog as a pet. Brushing your dog's teeth is important, but it is not easy. If your dog is resisting, once a day simply lift their lips and use your finger to rub their teeth lightly. Do it quickly at first, and then begin to draw out the time you spend performing this action. This will help them get used to the process. After that, you can begin using an actual brush and toothpaste. It is important for you to take your dog in to see the vet on a fairly regular basis. Just like humans, dogs can develop health problems like toothaches, arthritis and weight gain. Do not wait until you think your dog is sick before taking him in to be seen. Keep your dog in good shape. He can suffer with the same weight-related issues that you can, so make sure he gets plenty of healthy exercise and eats a well-balanced diet. Remember that walking will benefit you as well, so make it a part of your daily routine together to be happier and healthier. Try giving the dog rawhide versus actual meat bones. Real bones can chip or break and are dangerous for the dog. It has been shown that rawhide bones are safe and great for their teeth, so be sure to not give your dog that ham bone next time. Don't assume your toy-sized dog's bite isn't dangerous, just because he's little. A lot of owners brush off training, thinking that the smaller breed dog can get away with a little bad behavior, and this isn't true. As a responsible canine master, you've got to make certain your dog does not pose a threat to anyone by having him well trained. Now, are you really ready to care for your dog in the best way possible? As long as you endeavor to use what you have learned, you should be. Take your new knowledge and put it to use, and you'll see changes right before your eyes. Enjoy your dog and love them to bits. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.